All right. So, you see, now you're going to hold the device comfortably and tap the screen to begin. Now, this is going to teach you on the basic controls of an airplane. So we tap on it. We're going to skip the intro. Now we're in. It says, let's practice controlling the airplane's pitch. Pitch is making the plane go up and down. All right, so we practice it. So we tilt the top of the device toward you and raise the nose. So we're going to move the top back towards you, the bottom away, and you can see that raises the nose. And as it raises the nose, you can see that we are going up, and then we lower the nose and we see the airplane going down. So all of this, and actually where you can see we're controlling the airspeed. The vertical speed we're controlling too. That tells us going up or down. It says, well done, practice bringing the nose up and down until you're ready to continue. When you're ready to continue, then you select that. Now you rotate the device to the left or the right of the plane in that direction. So we're going to practice that. So we tilt the airplane this way. You can see if we tilt it to the left, the plane turns to the left. If we tilt it to the right, the plane goes to the right. Now that's pretty dramatic turns there. I'm going to just level it out, and we look here. This is the artificial horizon, and this will tell you. So if when you start the turn, you can see that the horizon here matches the horizon out there. And that way you can tell, even if you're in the clouds, if you're level with the ground. Now, let's look at something else. Let's level it off. Let's see if we can pitch it down and if it will pitch the airplane down. And it is not doing that. So we just hit continue. Says, I'll fly the plane for a moment while we learn a few other controls. Okay, so that autopilot, we put that on. Next. Over here it says, see that big red slide on the left? That's right here by the arrow is pointing to. That's the throttle. It controls your engine power just like a gas pedal in the car. So you hit next. It says move the throttle all the way up to go full power. So you want to put all the power in, we move it all the way up. And it said, this is your airspeed indicator. You can see your speed rising since you added power. Reduce the throttle all the way down to idle and watch the plane slow down again. So we can see the plane is gaining speed. I'm taking the throttle and I'm pulling it all the way back. And one of the things you'll notice is it slows a lot faster than it speeds up. All right, good. I'll set the throttle at 50%. The bottom in the upper left changes the view. Okay, so this is helpful if you want to see how you're doing. So you can click through here. This is a HUD display. This is really cool. Then we also have from the back. All right, so let's go back to the inside of the airplane. And it says drag your thumb around the center of the screen allows you to look around. So I can, and then pinch and zoom in and out. So we can continue, we can move this way. This is good if you want to look at instruments. You can zoom into them. I'll probably be using that a lot. And then all you need to know to get started. All right, and now we're going to go to our flight school. So, and then here after that, we go to the flight school. It says, well, you've done it. Would you like to retry, quit, or try something else? So we're going to quit and try something else. And I'm going to, so we're going to go to flight school next.